Okay, so I just hit my vape. I really need something to drink. Oh man, my stuff was terrible. Hold up. Fuck that. You don't get to see that. Whatever. Anyway. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay. I know what you're gonna say. Yeah, your shirt's inside out. It's my work shirt. I had to turn it inside out. Last video I uploaded, I got in trouble. Anyway, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We tasted the other ones from Dollar Tree. These are from one of the stores. It came in a 12-pack. Yeah. Iced coffee, artificially flavored. Hey, it's not bad. I like that. Shit. Tastes like you took the dust from a cinnamon toast crunch, y'all. Tastes like you just basically squished up cinnamon toast crunch, used the powder shit, and put that in the drink. Tastes good. Stay tuned for the next one, because next one we're doing Snoop cereal with cinnamon toast crunch coffee. Put that in there. Yeah, stay tuned, everybody. Stay tuned.